Let's install AI Assistant for After Effects. Run ZXP installer, choose After Effects, go to File and open the AIassistant.zxp. After successful installation, close your ZXP installer and open After Effects. From Window, Extensions, open AI Assistant. You will get a welcome panel with 3 sample prompts to see what AI Assistant can do before you use your email to sign up. Run one of them and you will see how it starts to generate comps, layers, add effects, and keyframes. Let's try a complex prompt. Create a comp and a camera inside. Create 20 vary stars using shape layers. Place stars in different Z depth. Animate the camera position to dolly forward. Make those stars blink. Use blue gradient effect on a shape layer and place it far back for the sky background and scale it up to fill the frame. Now let's test it inside a project. Here is my prompt. Organize the project panel and rename layers in Comp 1. Then hit Generate. Voila! Here is the organized project panel and renamed layers at Comp 1. With this extension, possibilities are truly endless. Give it a try. Thank you for watching.